my coat.
So tell us what's this?
What is this?
This is like
This is our calf barn.
calf barn. Okay, thanks for the term.
So this is where, like, when they're first born, they'll come. Ideally, they're supposed to be in individual pens, but if we were overstocked. So
This guy's headbutting me.
during the winter, we do we put them in this box when they're first born. We got a heat and light, and so we kind of stopped doing that. But now it's getting cold, maybe we'll go again.
Hi guys.
And so they stay in here. So they're about 3 or 4 months old. Then they go into the end pens down there, where they learn how to use like the water buckets.
Hi. Hi. I don't have anything.
And then we transition them into our barn.
There's a lot of cats.
So yeah, how old are all these little ones?
Not too old. These
like
ones are about a month old. Oh, this one was born. I think our oldest one right here. She was born in March.
Hi, baby.
So anyone born before March are in the big pens right now. So they're about 2 months old.
So what do you got here? 20, 25?
Hi.
25, 27.
Hi, baby.
This one right here, she's blind in that one eye. Look over here, see her eye.
Oh my.
She's born like that.
So then when these get old enough to milk, does your herd grow, or do you
Yeah.
sell off the older cows?
No, like right now we're overstocked. We're switching cows. So even though our barn holds what we have in there right now, those are milk, and then at the end of milking, we'll take a few out and then bring some down from the shed. We have a shed up there, we keep them in.
And this is high moisture corn. That's the scale there. It shows you what you got.
Oh yeah. So now, what's this unusual thing that you mix with your feed?
Brewers.
Brewers, and then what is brewers?
It's like, comes from like the fermented beer. Couldn't tell you what's.
So all your cows are drunk.
Yeah.
That's why they're so friendly.